Whether it is because you forget your pattern lock after changing it or enter too many incorrect attempts leading to temporary lock, MagPhone Android Unlocker can help you unlock it easily. Start by installing MagPhone Android Unlocker on your computer, then run it and connect your locked Samsung device to the computer through a USB cable. On the main interface of the MagPhone program, choose the Remove Screen Lock option. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your locked Samsung phone into recovery mode. After that, click Next and continue to proceed the next step. Proceed with the on-screen instructions to remove the pattern lock on your Samsung phone. Wait for a while, and click the Next button after completing the removal. Now you can set up your device without a screen lock.